Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda have once again become the center of internet buzz. Reports suggest that the popular on-screen pair might be getting married in February 2026, and fans can't keep calm. Amid all this excitement, fans were left confused after pictures of Rashmika and Vijay as a married couple suddenly surfaced online, sparking curiosity and speculation across social media. The viral pictures showed the Geetha Govindam stars dressed in elegant wedding outfits. The images looked dreamy and quickly grabbed attention, leaving fans wondering if the couple had secretly tied the knot. However, these images were shared by an unverified social media account and soon raised questions about their authenticity. So, are these wedding pictures real? After checking the facts, we can confirm that the viral images are not real. They are AI generated. While the visuals may look stunning, they are fake and misleading. Some of the images even featured popular stars like Mahesh Babu, Namrata Shirodkar, and Prabhas attending the wedding. But these visuals are also false. Earlier this month, Rashmika strongly spoke out against the misuse of artificial intelligence. When truth can be manufactured, discernment becomes our greatest defense. AI is a force for progress, but its misuse to create vulgarity and target women signals a deep moral decline in certain people. Remember, the internet is no longer a mirror of truth. It is a canvas where anything can be fabricated. Let us rise above misuse and use AI to build a more dignified and progressive society. Choose responsibility over recklessness. If people cannot act like humans, then strict and unforgiving punishment must be served to them. Her words highlight the serious issue of fake images and misinformation spreading online. Amid wedding rumors, Rashmika also addressed the speculation in a recent interview. "I wouldn't like to confirm or deny the marriage. I will just say when it's to be spoken about, we shall." As per reports, after a hush-hush and intimate engagement in October 2025, Rashmika and Vijay are said to be planning a wedding in Udaipur on 26 February 2026. However, there has been no official confirmation from their families yet. Photos of Rashmika and Vijay fade out. Until then, fans are advised to stay cautious and not believe everything they see online.